So Shaikh Shafayat, I'll kick it off here. Sheikh is an imam, so you might be familiar with the imam. It's funny, a side note, I had someone come up to me and mean, does that mean we're going to have a mom who's really good on the computer? She's an imam? I was like, no, actually that's not what's going to happen. We are going to have a Muslim leader, and they're called an imam. But Shaikh Shafayat is a sheikh, is a imam who teaches other imams. So we got graduate level imam here, and so we really, so tell us a little bit more about you, my friend, about your ministry and the work of Alhikmat services down in Hollywood?
Yeah.
Down in Hollywood.
Well, it is indeed a pleasure to be here, and I want to thank Father Christian for inviting me to be here with you all. It's a pleasure to be here with Rabbi Matthew. Wonderful place, beautiful. It's my first time in this territory, so I do love it. I feel very much at home and very comfortable. Don't want to waste much of the airtime. But as Father Christian said, our work, we do what is called a lot of outreach services. Besides being the imam, the title sheikh, it's really a title given to people who are Islamic scholars. An imam is one who leads the prayer, leads the services, and as Father Christian said, we at the Darul Uloom Islamic Institute, we got that next door to the Alhikmat services building in Pembroke Pines to be exact. We educate people and graduate people to be imams. And the reason why we concentrated on that is so that people in this part of the world, in the West, can get a better perspective of true Islamic leadership. Unfortunately, due to certain cultural background and cultural upbringing in the East, the Far East and the Middle East, a lot of people are sort of on that vision, so they keep their focus very confined. But our students are very broad-minded, and we try to encourage them to be very interfaith, very open. Because of them not having that exposure in the East, the Far East, the Middle East, we unfortunately have had a lot of mishaps, and that's where you have a lot of Islamophobia concept because of some of the things that imams do there, and I want to say that, or Muslims or people. But the concept of imams now in the West, generally speaking, because of the exposure to multicultural, multi-faith people, you have a better understanding. People have a better understanding of interfaith, of Judaism, of Christianity, whereas unfortunately they never had that exposure in their countries and the cities or towns that they live in. So basically, in the Darul Uloom Islamic Institute, of which I'm the principal, we educate people to be imams, and at the Al-Hikmat services, we do a lot of the dawah, what is inviting people to come together, outreach basically, inviting people to understand commonalities among humanity and different faiths and different religions.
Brilliant. So what I want to do today with us is, if we can, in the short amount of time,